Hello and welcome to K-Haneul YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Are you ready to roll? Let's go. Rice is the fundamental food staple for billions of people, particularly in East Asia. Historically, the privileged in Japan used to wash themselves with rice water for its believed skin whitening and brightening properties, leading to skin whiteness becoming a symbol of beauty and status. This preference has since carried over to South Korea, where skin whiteness is still widely regarded as a standard of beauty today. We will now delve into the science-backed benefits of applying rice water topically for skin care. Stay tuned to learn more. Part 1. Rice water benefits for skin health. Topical application of rice water is often touted for potential skin lightening effects as it contains ingredients with whitening effects, but scientifically proven evidence is lacking. While some individuals report positive experiences, the outcomes may vary from person to person. Additionally, research from 2016 revealed that when combined with other plant extracts, rice water can effectively serve as a sunscreen, although it should not be considered a substitute for traditional sunscreen products. The 2018 study also found that rice water reduced the activity of elastase, an enzyme involved in skin aging. This finding suggests that rice water may help minimize the development of wrinkles and fine line, as well as potentially smooth out existing ones. Last but not the least, rice water is known for its beneficial effects on acne and excess oil production. A study showed that individuals who bathed in rice water twice daily for 15 minutes experienced a 20% improvement in skin healing capacity and a significant improvement in skin barrier function. Part 2. How to make rice water. Prior to making rice water at home, ensure you use organic rice, preferably brown rice, as it is the most nutritious among other types. There are 3 ways to make rice water at home: soaking, boiling, and fermenting. For soaking, soak half a cup of uncooked rice in 2 to 3 cups of water for 30 minutes. For boiling, cook rice using double the normal amount of water, then strain it. Lastly, for fermenting, follow the soaking method but leave the water at room temperature for 1 to 2 days before storing in the refrigerator. It's important to note that homemade rice water does not contain preservatives, so it's recommended to make a new batch every week for optimal efficacy and freshness. Part 3. How much rice water daily? When using rice water as a natural skin toner, start by spraying it once or twice a day, observing how your skin reacts and adjusting as needed. Apply it gently and avoid overuse, as excessive application can lead to protein overload and dryness. Listen to your skin and adjust the frequency accordingly for the best results. Part 4. Who should avoid rice water? Rice water is generally safe to use. But as mentioned before, it should be used in moderation as it may cause protein overload and dry skin in some individuals. Few people have also reported irritation, itching, swelling and redness, which are signs of allergy to some components in rice water. Those people should avoid rice water as it does not match their needs. Part 5. Rice water for hair. According to some claims, rice water may help grow floor-length silky hair. It may also promote elasticity, increase volume, tame frizz, protect hair from damage and cure dandruff. However, there is no scientific proof for these claims. Likewise, if you are interested in giving it a try, put it on your hair for 20 minutes after shampooing and conditioning. Be cautious about any signs of allergy or severe hair loss. What are your thoughts on the video? Tell us in the comments below, and thanks for watching.